Good day, everyone. My name is Liesel Pataganao. For today's video, I'm going to discuss about earth materials and processes. But before that, I would like to introduce our objectives of this topic. First, explain the difference between igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. Second, realize how geologic process affect living conditions. Third, understanding how magma is formed. Are you ready? Or are you excited? Okay, let's start. Rocks and minerals. Rocks are formed from minerals grains. Assembly of mineral grains are not random. They are result of the rock forming processes. The igneous rock. Igneous rocks formed by crystallization composed of several kinds of minerals. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, these include all kinds of rocks, namely igneous and sedimentary. Minerals possess crystalline structure, classified according to chemical composition and atomic structure. Silicate minerals. The silicate minerals structure based on silicate units. Rocks. Rocks made up of one or more silicate units. Igneous rocks. The igneous rock starting point in the rock cycle. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks start out as igneous rock. Derived from the convection in the Earth's mantle, source of the heat, radioactive isotopes, and potassiums, rhenium, and thorium. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks is the secondary rocks. Three types of grains: coarse, medium, and fine. Silicate materials in sedimentary rock undergo changes. Weathering, the process breaking down. Two types of weathering: physical and chemical weathering. Clastic rocks form from clast. Chemical form from evaporation of water. Biogenic contains fragments of fossils.
Rocks and minerals. Metamorphic rock formed from the igneous rock which have undergone mechanical and physical stress. Metamorphism occurs when the rock are in their solid state. Transition between igneous and metamorphic is marked by the melting point of the rock. Contact metamorphism and regional metamorphism. Okay, let's proceed to exogenic and endogenic processes. Exogenic. Exogenic processes: erosion, transportation, and deposition. Erosion, broken rock. Transportation, movement. Deposition, deposited in new location. Geomorphic agents: ice, wind, snow, water, or even gravity alone. As you can see in the photo. Okay, let's continue. The endogenic uses heat from within the earth, also called hypogean processes, unaffected by external processes. Cause earthquakes, metamorphism, volcanic activity, formation of through and oceans. Terminal energy derived from decay of radioactive materials and gravitational differentiation, like earthquake, form of wave and motion that is transmitted through the surface of the earth. Tectonic movements gives rise to oceans, mountains, ridges called as dystrophism when it results in building up. Volcanism, matter is transported to the surface of the earth, then erupted. Magnetic matter is effused to the surface, otherwise they are called intrusives or plutoons. How the crust form. Formation of the crust. Plate tectonics, movement of the continents. continental drift theory proposed by Wegener, movement of tectonic plate, evidence, fossils, and paleomagnetism. Formation of crust, deformation. As you can see in the picture, the result of forces strong enough to move ocean sediments thousands of meters above the sea level. Changes in volume and shape. Fold, bed in the rock and responsive to comprehensive forces. Fault, caused by the internal stresses in the rock that is caused fractures. Did you know the history of the Earth? Okay, let me tell you. The magnetic field polarity changes. North polarity from South Pole to North Pole. Reverse polarity from North Pole to South Pole. Polarity changes are key indicators of seafloor spreading. Seafloor spreading, seafloor moves away from the ranges. Okay, history of the Earth, sea floor spreading. As you can see in the picture, sea floor spreading helps explain continental drift theory. Divergence of ocean plate causes tensional stress. Tensional stress causes fractures in the lithosphere. Basaltic magma rises up from fractures caused on seafloor, causing formation of new seafloor. Okay, history of the Earth, ocean basin evolution. The ocean basin evolution, as you can see in the picture, they have embryonic, juvenile, mature, declining, terminal, and suturing relaxed car. Formation of stratified rocks. Okay. Stratification planes result from the changes in composition or texture of the rocks during the depositions. Okay, history has been recorded in stratified rocks, may be composed of both fine and coarse particles. Okay, let's proceed to geologic time scale. Okay, for the relative dating, able to place events in their proper order but unable to precisely identify the number of years. Absolute dating, based on the decay of radioactive elements, and for the marker fossils and index fossils.